Okay.
Sang.
All right. When you hear me speak, you hold up your hand. Okay.
What's baby now?
All right. Ready?
Lewa gives us a student. Na mana ta. If you
Kamurag kadungog siya gamay. The clap one. Clap one. Try the clap.
Okay. When if you hear me clap, you clap.
Try.
Kay sa kay translate sa. Wala. Other one. The other side. Itong ka Christian kay. Baby, baby. Buno na ko nagsusuat. Bulletin. Ay mga.
Okay. When you hear me talk, you hold your hand up. Okay.
Wow, amen.
Kapikas.
Amen. The other way.
The other side.
Amen.
sila baliktad sila ears nung panahon.
Lips yan, lip.
Okay. When you
Clap.
when you hear me clap, you clap.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Ano siya mandok? Try again.
She heard something. She got some kind of hearing. Okay.
Naliki
Alright.
kadungog niya pero dili ko.